Welcome to another GoRV camping cuisine. Today I find myself at the Thetford headquarters. They've got an impressive showroom, great spot for my fettuccine. Let's go check it out. Right, well, I've finished playing the game of Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo. There's a lot of product to choose from, but I've selected this top-of-the-range Thetford 1520. It boasts a dual-fuel 3-burner with a hot plate and a fan-forced oven. Now today I'll be cooking a family favourite of ours. It's been in our family for 20 years. It's a fettuccine carbonara. It's one that everyone will love. So I'm going to grab some ingredients from the fridge and run through what you need to get this recipe underway. Now it is a simple recipe, so you don't need too many ingredients. All we need is 1 onion, some streaky bacon. Now I've gone for some pappardelle, which is fettuccine style pasta. It's fresh pasta, some good quality Parmesan cheese, thickened cream, some eggs, salt and pepper, some parsley to garnish and olive oil. Now to begin, I need my pot of water. Water's on, I'm just going to add a pinch of salt to our water. I've got the salt in the water, so we're going to begin with chopping up our onion. We'll finally dice this onion. Now before I finish dicing my onions, I'm going to clean up my workspace. I like a clean workbench. Wow, this onion's got some real kick. You're probably wondering why I've got this towel over my shoulder, just to dry these tears. I'm going to add some oil to our pan. Got some nice olive oil. We'll get the onion in the pan. We'll dice up our bacon. We've got some streaky bacon. Now with this bacon, we don't want to cut it too finely. We want some nice chunky pieces. Nice thick pieces. This will stop the bacon from burning too quickly and give a nice texture. I've chosen the streaky bacon because of the fat content. It'll add some nice flavour to our dish. So we'll give that a stir and get cracking on our egg mixture. While we're working on our egg mixture, we'll keep stirring our onion and bacon so they don't burn. We've got the onion and bacon sizzling away nicely. I'm going to start grating some Parmesan cheese. You want a generous serving. Now, living with some Italians in our family, you can never have too much cheese. Now don't forget to keep stirring your onion and bacon. We don't want to burn them. We want that nice brown colour and the onion to brown. You can really start to smell that bacon. Today I'll be cooking for 2, so I'm going to need about 3 eggs, about 1.5 eggs per person. Now I've used the freshest eggs possible. These have come straight from our chooks at home. We're going to add some salt and pepper to this mixture. A sprinkle of salt. Some thickened cream. You want a generous serving of thickened cream. And finally we'll add our Parmesan cheese. Now I'm going to need a fork and we'll give this a good mix until it's nice and smooth. Our water's boiling. Now because it's fresh pasta, it will only take about 3 minutes. Does anyone know what you would call a noodle in pasta? An impasta. You can have that one. Now give that its final stir. The pasta looks nice and cooked. It didn't take very long, 3 minutes, that's all it took. We'll get that strained. All of our bacon and onion is already cooked. We're just going to get some heat back through there. I'm going to add the pasta. We're going to mix that right through. Now what I like to use is some tongs. And really mix that through. This is where the fatness of the streaky bacon is going to really add that flavour. Now it's time to add our egg mixture. The trick here is to really stir that through, and when the egg starts to scramble, you know you're done. Another 30 seconds and we're ready to plate up. I'm going to add some more cracked pepper. And there you have it, roughly about 10 minutes. We've got a dish the whole family is going to love. Such a simple, easy dish to cook while camping. I'm going to garnish it with some Parmesan cheese and parsley. Look at that, it's looking great. I'm going to garnish it with some parsley. Now I'm sure this meal won't disappoint.
What's going on here? It smells something from the warehouse.
Mate, that was great timing. I was just about to come and grab you. I've seen you busy walking around. I've knocked up this amazing fettuccine. How about you sink your teeth into this?
Sounds good to me.
Let me know what you think.
Great work.
What do you reckon?
Job well done, I think.
Well, you thought you guys were the only ones working hard today. And just like that, another simple, easy meal. Thanks for joining us for another episode of GoRV Camping Cuisine and to our mates at Bedford.